I'm not even going to suck it in, y'all, because that's not fair. I want to show y'all everything in its glory. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyah. Thank you for clicking on this video today. If you are a new subscriber and you are looking to get on a keto journey, this video is going to be something that you're really going to want to watch. My channel in itself and my fitness journey slash my dieting journey is going to be something you want to watch. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel right now and turn on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me today. This is going to be a new type of video that I'm going to be posting on my channel. Just a little bit of background history on like my weight journey. My highest weight was about 247 pounds, 250 pounds. I'll try and go through my phone to see if I can find like some clips or some pictures back then. Like, they're really embarrassing, and I barely took pictures at that point in time because I was just insecure with my weight. But that was my heaviest. From the time period of, I want to say 2012, 2016, I tried everything, every diet, every workout plan, T25, every type of South Beach diet or workout routine you think there is, I've done. I wanted to be able to lose some weight and start feeling more confident about myself. So in January of 2016, I said enough is enough. I need to find a fitness program that works for me. So on Instagram, there's this couple, Kathy Drayton and her husband Luther Freeman, and they run a program called the 90-Day Transformation Team. Now, or the 30-Day Transformation Team. I'm not sure which one it is, but I know you can either do like a 90-day segment or a 30-day segment. And for me, myself, I had two partners that I signed up with, and we did the 90-day program. With that workout program, I won't say that like I had the biggest amount of weight loss that I was really expecting to lose, but within those 90 days, I was pretty strict on myself. I rarely cheated, maybe like 1 or 2 times throughout the whole 90-day process because I was getting in shape to go on vacation. And I just wanted to lose the weight. So I made sure I ate about 6 meals per day. I was eating tilapia and asparagus at like 10 a.m. I feel like programs like that are very strict and regimented on like eating the same thing daily takes a lot of discipline, and I'm grateful for that program because it did show me the discipline that I needed once the program was over. However, fast forward, by day 90, I think I was somewhere around like 221, 222. I'm not sure, but I did take pictures and document that process and put my actual weight on the pictures. So I'll go ahead and find those pictures and post them over there. Fast forward to today, my weight fluctuates between 200 and 203 pounds. I am a pescatarian and I eat almost basically like a pescatarian vegetarian lifestyle, very light, almost going veganish, but I don't know if I can give up cheese. Eventually, I do want to get into either a vegan or a plant-based diet, but I haven't had a lot of experience with different foods because as is, my diet in itself is very restrictive. I'm allergic to a lot of things, so that requires me to be very careful with different ingredients and foods that I'm eating. My diet and food bubble is about yay big. Last year I tried keto diet and I was very excited about the keto diet. I did everything by the book, you know. Post losing that, I want to say 23, almost 30 pounds from my first workout journey from 2016 to the end of 2016, early 2017, I was in a good space, but I fell off. I wasn't consistent. I tried it, I want to say from last August to last November, I think around that time frame. I was able to get my weight down from about the mid to lower 220s, like 223, all the way down to about 206 pounds, I believe, at that time. So roughly almost like 13, 14 pounds I lost in, I want to say I did that in 30 days. So the first time I did my workout routine with the 90-Day Transformation Team, it was a lot of weight training, a lot of weight training. And I love weight training. I'd rather do weight training than cardio because I don't have time to be running on the treadmill. I mean, I have time, but who likes doing that? Coming full circle back to today. Today is April, I don't know what today is. Siri. I be calling Siri and she don't be answering. Like, I have Hey Siri on for a reason. Answer the phone. Today is Sunday, April 21st, 2019, and I'm sick of my body. Like, I know I have so much potential to be better, and I really want to get into shape. I'm going to Mexico soon in the next 2 months, and I believe 5 days. So I would really like to be a little bit more toned and in shape for that vacation, because I mean, we got outfits to wear, we got hair that needs to match the outfits, and current me is not gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and document this process from the time that today, April 21st, until I decide to go to Mexico for my vacation, which is January 27th is the day that I leave. So I'm gonna tell myself that I'm going to try and do 5 workouts per week. That's gonna include some cardio as well as strength training. Anyone who's struggling with like losing weight, I would say if it's easier for you to like break up your cardio and your strength training either on separate days or in 2 different times of the day if your schedule permits, try it out. I prefer to break them apart because it's like, okay, I'm coming to the gym to do this one thing. I'm coming to the gym now to do my cardio and my strength training. I'm not trying to spend 2-3 hours in the gym, and I feel like as time goes on when you're in the gym, people just lose their energy. Like, they're tired of going there. That 1 minute on the treadmill be the longest minute of your life. You're literally watching 1 second increments. So maybe that might help you out. Now, this fitness journey, I'm gonna be incorporating cardio, I'm gonna be incorporating keto, the keto diet, I'm gonna be incorporating intermittent fasting, as well as weight training. So these are the 4 things that I'm gonna be doing to help me lose weight and tone up hopefully within the next 60 days. Oh, also, I'm gonna be doing yoga. I do have a yoga app that I watch, so if you're watching this, I will have a video up shortly of the yoga app that I love. That app is amazing. It breaks down by level, by specific practices that you want to target on, and anything else you can imagine. So I will go ahead and put the name of the app down below in the description. If you want to check out that app, I do highly recommend it. So I want you guys to be able to see my whole body. You don't need to see my head. You've already seen my head enough, but this is just going to be like some before shots, and each week I'm going to document my process. So here we go. Whoa, look at y'all looking at my tummy. All right, so we can get a close-up here. I do have some of fat spilling out around the edges of my bra. You can see my right breast is bigger than my left one, so it's going to show a little bit more fat on the right side than it is the left side. So I do have like what I call like the illusion back fat because my back fat is very narrow. All the women in my family, we have very small tops. Like, no matter how much we gain weight, we have small tops but wider bottoms. So I do think genetics for like keeping my body shape like somewhat together, but as you can see, as I gain weight, like my fat just like bleh, spills down here. I'll turn to the side, and this is me to the side. So before, when I was trying to lose weight, my stomach did stick out a lot further than my chest. Now it's almost like semi-flat, but you can see like there's flabby skin on top, along with like a lot of bubbling fat around the edges and around like my ab area of my stomach. So I'm also going to be incorporating a lot of ab routines as well as like strength training for my abdomen so that I can get this toned up, and hopefully the yoga will start helping me. If I pull this down a little bit, like, I'm not even going to suck it in, y'all, because that's not fair. I want to show y'all everything in its glory. I'm going to hopefully be sculpting out my body so I can lose like this lower love handle, because this is not cute. Like, this is not cute at all. This is just gotta go. I'll be checking in with you guys 7 days from now. So today, since today is Sunday, I'm gonna try and film and upload this video today so that I can keep everything in sequence, and then I will check in with you next Sunday. So my chest is currently, that's 41.5 inches. My waist I have a 36.5-inch waist, and let's do the gut. So my inches down here are 47 on the dot. So I don't really have like a specific goal inches that I want like all my measurements throughout my body to be. I just want to be toned. I understand that different bodies carry weight different ways. I am 5'7.5" by the way, because height and weight do contribute a lot into how many calories you're going to be eating a day, how you track your macronutrients, and then overall, if someone out there has maybe the same measurements as me, you might be able to see a rough estimate of what your body would look like if you were to follow the same journey that I'm following. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be the introduction to my fitness journey, as well as my keto journey, as well as like me just trying to get my life journey. So if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. But that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a good, blessed week, and until I see you in my next video.